this video we will look at recurrence relations. Now, in a recurrence relation, each term is a function of the previous terms. And in order to start the whole relation, you'll have to be given the first term. And we can sometimes call that first term the initial term. Now we'll take a look at part B here. We want to find the value of u5. So in part B, the general term is 0.5 times un minus 1 plus 2, and you're given the initial term is 12. So the first term, 0.5 times u of 0 plus 2, so that turns out to be 8. Second term, 0.5 times the first term plus 2, so that's 0.5 times 8 plus 2, so it's 4 plus 2, which is 6. Third term is 0.5 times the second term plus 2, so it's 0.5 times 6 plus 2, which gives us 5. The fourth term is 0.5 times the third term plus 2, which is 0.5 times 5 plus 2, which gives us 4.5. And then finally we get to the term we're asked for, u5. And u5 is 0.5 times u4 plus 2. So that's 0.5 times 4.5 plus 2, and that actually gives us 4.25. So our fifth term is 4.25. Now you need to pause the video and try these two questions.